Charm Grammy Crochet, and welcome to here. I'm here. Nancy has gone. She had to go home, her and her husband, and I enjoyed having them here with us so much. We're in Merrill's Inlet, South Carolina, for the rest of the week. Maybe they'll come back, but Nancy was getting sick, so I know. I'm really sad about that, so I hope she's feeling better. I haven't talked to her since she left this morning. I'm hoping that she slept the whole way, and that's why she never called me. I didn't call her, hoping that she was asleep. So, anyway, today is day 11? Day 12. Day 12. Yes, it is. Today is the 12th day of our Advent exchange and our hashtag Scraps of Love 22. And we're making a blanket for Boggy Creek with scraps that I sent to her and scraps that she sent to me. And she's making 2 different blankets, one out of scraps and one out of just squares. And if you've seen the other podcasts all month, you guys will know about that. So I'm not going to dwell on it again. I am trying to put together a video of some of the things that we saw yesterday, Nancy and I together, and then my husband and I today alone, but I can't guarantee that we're going to see that today. It's going to be in another video. Who are we getting? But I will show you a catch up on a finished item. So first of all, this is the Scraps of Love for this day. Today. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Oh. This is just yarn tweed. She wrapped it in the container that it came in, so that's nice. Now let's see, my Scrappy Make-A-Do. I started the 3rd row. I am joining with Karen 1 pound in the color Off-White, and this is my blanket so far. So yesterday's color was this light blue or teal blue, bright blue right here, and so then we'll add this in right here, maybe if I can get it together. Yeah, so it'll get right there. That'll look really nice. Any leftovers from this will go into my second blanket, which is the really Scrappy Scrap-A-Do. Scrappy Make-A-Do. This is the last, I think this is 3 days worth of scraps here. These are actually 2 different blue colors, but they're very, very close. These 2. And then we have this one. So the center is one color. Then we have the brighter, darker blue. And then this other color blue. So now we'll put the teal on that. I mean the gray onto the teals. And that blanket, where did I put it? Oh. That blanket is being joined with Bernat Cozy in this gray color. Right here. So it started with this one. And then just as the scraps are being used up, excuse me, they get added in. So it's, breaking things. It's kind of looking like this. It's a little bit behind. And then this will be the next square that goes in with the gray attached, or the tweed. When the month is over, I know this blanket won't be completely done because obviously it's way behind. But that's okay. You know, I will just add in the next color, you know, and then just grab some scraps of my own. So that's how that is going. I'm really liking the blankets. And Nancy and I both, and Boggy Creek will too, appreciate everyone that is also making blankets besides us. There's several podcasters making a square day blanket, or our, hashtag scraps of love. I think if you type in the hashtag, you'll get to see everyone. I have had them linked in, the ones that I know of linked below. Maybe I will just test the hashtag myself today and put them in there. See if we have time. As I said, I am out of town, and I believe tonight we are going to go see some lights on the beach at North Myrtle Beach. You can drive through and then you can walk through. So I want to get this done before then. It is dark now, but it's only 6:15, or no, not even 6. So this is the gift from our gift exchange swap today. We're doing a 25 days of Christmas swap. Oh, wait, I'm going to open this over something. It feels breakable. She sent me many things that were breakable. I sent her a few things that were breakable, and the first thing she opened was broke. Oh, look. Oh, you want to, don't you? Oh, look it. Isn't this pretty? Let's see. Oh, it requires batteries, and there are none. I'm sure it lights up. I don't know if it looks like it'll be just white, and oh, gorgeous. Now I know I have these batteries at home. I do not have any here, but isn't that beautiful? Oh, Nancy, I love it so much. My grandmother made one of these way back when, probably in the 70s, but a tall one. And they used it as their Christmas tree after a while. When it got too much for them to put up a real tree, they would put up their ceramic tree. And it had a cord. It was corded. And that is what they would use for a Christmas tree. And it's still in the family somewhere. And so this reminds me of that. So it's so sweet. And it's so pretty. I totally, totally love it. What a great idea. I'll wrap it back up later, because that's got to go special, so I don't break it on the way back home. And I have been working on the Scraps of Love blankets, obviously, and Terry's dress, which is almost done. I should have finished it before I came. I have a couple of stitches to do and some ends to weave in, and a button, and I don't have any buttons with me. I forgot to bring buttons. But this is Terry's Christmas dress. I made it out of Big Twist Twinkle, and I think it's just called Navy. Color Sapphire. You can see the twinkle in it. So this is what the dress is looking like. I wanted to make it all the way long, like to her toes, but since I'm putting, I did put a scallop edge on the bottom, and I'm putting the scallop edge on the sleeves as well. But since I've decided to make her a cape, this is the cape. It's going to go in out of this yarn. This is Bernat Velvet. I think they'll look good together. So did Nancy. We kind of thought that would look nice together. The Bernat Velvet and this. And so this is going to be like a Red Riding Hood style cape. But I'm going to trim it out in this fur. So that'll be really cool. And I bought more of the fur. I showed you that yesterday. So the fur and the velvet, and because I was able to pick up another one of these, because I think I got this on clearance at Hobby Lobby, and So I didn't think I'd be able to get any more in this color, but at Ollie's they had this. So I picked this up. I think it was Ollie's. And I'm going to make her boots. Originally I thought I was going to make slippers, but I'm going to trim the cape out in the fur, and I'm going to make boots for her out of the fur. So that should hopefully kind of bring them all together, and you know, cape with the hood and the dress. Here, let me throw it on her for you real quick. You can see what she looks like. I think it's turning out really cute. I only brought Terry. I did not bring Tanya with me. And Avery will probably end up with both of them on Christmas Day. Let's be serious. Alrighty-dighty. So don't mind the strings because obviously it's not done. But that's what she's looking like in her little blue dress. And like I said, my granddaughter's dress is blue as well. So if I made it much longer, you wouldn't really be able to see the boots well. And I think the boots are going to just look so cute. And I was really getting tired of single crochet, single crochet, single crochet. I think I might do half double on the cape and in the hood, and I don't know how long. I haven't determined how long to make the cape, but this is what the dress looks like. I want to get a snowflake or some kind of little decoration to put on it, a pin, something. And so that's what I think I'm going to do in silver to bring that out. I might crochet one, but I doubt it. I mean, I could like embroidery one on there kind of thing, but I think I just want an actual pin to pin it down. And that's what she's looking like now in her sparkly blue dress with one shoes soon. Boots soon. Boots are forthcoming. And I'm going to make a Yoda for my second granddaughter. She wanted a Yoda, so I have to make that yet. And so I need to get busy. Get on it. But that's all I have for you in this video. As I said, I'm going to try to piece together and talk over another video from yesterday and some pictures I took today. Okay, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for hanging out with me while I'm on vacation, while we're doing these scraps of love. Big smooches, and thank you to Nancy for coming and visiting with us for a few days. I will be seeing her at least next month. Maybe they'll get to come back for the end of the week. Crossing my fingers. I hope she's feeling okay. So say a little prayer for our Nancy. If you haven't seen a video from her today, you may not. She wasn't feeling so good. So that's all I have. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.